Hello. Thursday felt like one of those days where someone up there was just playing with the taps. Raining 1 minute, then dry, then rain, then dry. It's like that pretty much all day. And some of the storms pretty impressive. We brought some hail to the streets of Carlisle. Some of the storms dropped temperatures by up to 5 degrees Celsius as they went through. And we had some of this spectacular mammatus cloud on the underside of some of the cumulonimbus thunderclouds, a sign of really vigorous storm clouds building. And more recently, well, some of those showers have started to turn to snow across parts of northern Scotland, particularly in the high grounds.
Talking of rain before rainbows, here's some rain with a rainbow. Hello.
Anybody think I'd planned it?
Wouldn't you, Matt? Good morning to you.
Good morning, both of you. Good morning at home as well.
Sorry,
we all love
can
a
I
rainbow,
just
don't
ask?
we?
May I just ask?
Yeah.
What's on your tie? It looks fascinating.
They're little flowers.
Very nice. So,
you
like
go.
flowers with the rainbows, it's all very well coordinated, may I say?
All very spring, isn't it? Bringing it
Lovely.
on. Yes, good morning. Yeah, we all love the rainbows, don't we? A little bit of a sweetener, Naga and Charlie, to what will be out there today. Some pretty nasty downpours around at times, some heavy and thundery showers, but that sunshine in between, and it all, of course, leads to those rainbows.
But, you know, one of the things, Matt, I suppose, you know me, I don't like it when it's rainy, I don't like it when it's cloudy. I'm
cold.
one of those who loves it when it's sunny. I'm not friendly to gardeners, whatever. But
Yeah.
the skies have been really dramatic, you know, in the winter nights especially, you know, the sunsets and the sunrises, but also as an opportunity to just look up like this. Look at these pictures we're getting.
Look at these. These were across England yesterday. These are called mammatus clouds, or udder clouds, as you can see from the shape of them. Form under thunderstorm clouds that we saw, and they're actually little, almost plumes of cold air pushing down from underneath the cloud and then forming into those amazing shapes. It almost looks like clouds from a different planet. But look up today, because you might see them if you see some of the bigger shower clouds push across where you live.
So
there you
udder
go.
clouds.
Yeah, mammatus or udder clouds, because they look like udders on the base of a cow.
They are amazing pictures.
Aren't they? And it's cold
They
air
are.
that's pushing down from underneath the cloud.
Yeah, usually clouds form when the air goes up and cools, but because there's so much turbulence in the cloud, sometimes the cold air pushes down underneath and then just condenses into those cloud-like shapes. So opposite of what you normally expect, to be honest.
Always a lesson, always an
you
education
go.
speaking to you, Matt. Thanks very much.
Don't worry, it's the weekend soon.
And a gorgeous rainbow. Morning.
Indeed. Good morning, Naga. Good morning, Charlie, as well. We've already got the rainbow pictures coming in from our weather watchers. This one from Curly Clare in Nottinghamshire. And more scenes like this to come right across the UK through today. And it's a day for rainbow spotters today. That does mean there'll be some sunshine, but it also means there'll be some pretty heavy showers around with some hail and thunder too. Join me for the full forecast here on Breakfast.
That's a lovely picture.
It is. Gives us a good clue, actually, Naga, to what's happening over the next few days. Very good morning to a lovely rainbow here in Lincolnshire. There's going to be more of them to spot right across the country today and this weekend. Can only mean one thing. It's a sunshine and shower story for us. But if you see those showers heavy with hail and thunder again, like they were yesterday, at least the wind's not quite as strong. But
Let's have a look outside this morning. Do you know, Matt, when we looked at this view yesterday, such was the wind, it looked like the open sea out there because it's so choppy. It's a lot calmer, but it's got that kind of gloomy look about it.
as skies will brighten, it will be one of those days where skies are going to change from 1 hour to the next. And as you can see, with that will come some spectacular views. Probably the best rainbow of the morning, to be honest, there in Gloucestershire. But it will be a day of sunshine and some pretty nasty downpours, hail, thunder, like we saw yesterday. But as Charlie's already mentioned, the wind's not quite as strong.